Human trafficking largely falls into two categories: commercial sex trafficking and forced labor trafficking. Of those two large categories, you can have international or domestic victims who can be children or adults, men or women.
The prevalence is a worldwide problem, and it's a problem here in the United States. Internationally, it's estimated that there are about 27 million human trafficking victims worldwide. It's a $32 billion business and growing every year. The number of human trafficking task forces, federal task forces, is increasing every year.
Law enforcement and prosecutors are paying more attention and are aggressively investigating these cases, but I also think the problem is larger than the resources that the government has available to investigate and prosecute it. Well, I think it's a different day and age for corporations in the area of human trafficking. For the first time, they have really been asked to step up and do their part in attacking and addressing the problem. Companies are now mandated to take additional steps that they haven't been required to take in the past, especially for companies that have federal contracts or have subcontractors.
If you are purchasing goods or services or labor from certain areas of the world, there's an increased chance that you may be involved in or may have some human trafficking going on.
I think that if there is one takeaway that everyone should have on the issue of human trafficking, is that it's everywhere. It's not just in Kansas City, Missouri. It's not just in the heartland. It's not just an East or West Coast problem or a border state problem. It is everywhere in the United States, and it's a growing problem worldwide. When I was at the U.S. Attorney's Office with the Department of Justice, I prosecuted human trafficking cases, and when I transitioned over to the private sector, I wanted human trafficking pro bono work to be a part of my practice. And one thing led to the next, and the firm ended up launching a human trafficking legal clinic. It's the first of its kind in the country, and we provide victims with legal services. The range of legal needs that human trafficking victims have is very wide. It's everything from protective orders that they may need, immigration counsel that they may have to have if they're an international victim, housing issues, financial issues. And so one good thing about having a full-service firm is that whatever the need is of a victim, we're going to be able to meet it.